Now it's Big Kulie again, now my gay XL tatted on me. Extra X cause I like them all crazy and just obsessed about me. Watching all my moves and giving all my haters something hate about me. All summer and winter, even spring, and you still sleeping on me?
Yeah.
I think I'm being or studio or Carolina Cafat.
Yeah, you're a very busy woman.
This is Cafat and set you one.
Yela matayal.
You can do
But
remember to look on an EP lenga mangi because
that was your ex though? Or someone you were with? But it so apply. Okay, you explain.
there's no filter. I should guide you should like say come up. But anyway.
Ahey, iShangani Gang Podcast Network. Havulabula, Hava, Ahleka, naswona hi vulavula swo twala. Shangani Gang Podcast Network. Hi vulavula ngopfu, kambe u ta yi rhandza.
Look good today.
We look good
Today. Actually, clock it. What do we have with us today? Yena man kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Now it's Big Kulie again, now my gay XL tatted on me. Extra X cause I like them all crazy and just obsessed about me. Watching all my moves and giving all my haters something hate about me. All summer and winter, even spring, and you still sleeping on me?
Yeah. I think we have a hyena in here. Actually, nah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We had to actually look good because we knew we were gonna have stars on the podcast, on the episode today.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm like, it should be standard procedure that we look good.
Yeah.
But anyways, actually, as much as we look good, like plus we have someone who's hot besides us, ne? Actually, he's just
always hot, but for some reason,
it's not just Dambra Gyan, it's her.
Like, are you competing with the sun?
I may, guys, and I'm so sorry, Kaba. Akatikobele Gianni, Nakuramcha Kuisenyana, I Sikra album launch at Metro Beatz City 11th October, who remains.
So, Namtaile the Juta.
Yeah.
Metro Beatz is launching his album, a very good album by the way, and we're gonna be Tavaki, Itzika, Yonanamuta, plus the features that are album, including Miss Kulie.
Yeah.
Anyways, before
Okay, so we addressed by Swilu.
Yes.
Amazing. Beautiful stuff.
We should have told Miss Kulie, if I didn't get Miss Kulie heads up, so she could have just like us. I mean, it would have been MMK.
Yeah.
I mean,
Not controversies.
no, not that one.
Oh.
Not MK.
Not that one. Anyways,
It's Kate Chirinda, got the social media platforms. Yeah, and then number is 065-587-2819. Nala gurukum lawas, belan shabana, or shabatsati, my woman, bali shabatsati, wakumeka na kona, 065-587-2819. Yeah.
Nazo. Anyways, Miss Kulie,
My guy.
how are you?
Ni sharp. Well, sharp. I didn't me tell last minute. Hey, and balabla shilongo ne fukil minjal.
Okay.
No, but Scott, look at Shlung to show Kuri, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know if you are.
They would say, yeah, says Makulana.
She speaks English now. It's Miss Kulie. Exactly. But
Great guys, and then I can go book someone again. You're like my two favorite people ka podcast.
Okay.
we actually know that. You know
I
that.
like you, but I don't like these ones.
Yeah.
You like us more.
Yes.
You don't like the other ones.
Yes.
Debate, ne?
Yeah, man.
Anyways, you are featured on the on album, yeah, Metro ka ngoma go All Eyes on Me. How was it jumping from hip hop to Shikaza?
Definitely not my first Shigaza song.
Ne?
Ni versatile. I think I can make a song kashmona not gospel. Yeah, I could, but for All Eyes on Me, the transitioning, skipping genres wasn't really hard. Like when you say like yeah, hip hop and
Sure.
when an artist, you and your writing, Resimo, was to separate to seclude some sounds yourself.
And you listen to the ones that you want.
Yes, and you tune into Bitlewi Laba. I really didn't have to do that. That song, Metro Beatz. And also, my feature with Metro Beatz was a very long time coming. Yots and 3-4 years ago.
Okay.
Link way up Lady Shakes. But yeah, in short, All Eyes on Me was so easy to make and record their freestyle. And then the next day, I just wrote down that freestyle and I recorded it.
And so it was like it was a freestyle, meaning it didn't really take you much. As long as it's difficult.
In the room, that's why when V told me that they actually wanted to drill for the song, and then they heard me, and when I now heard the song, it's just like you were right. Yeah.
Nah, honestly, it's one of the Bango Malia. Me too in
Snap.
Yeah, but All Eyes on Me. And I like how she, because kuna patle Metro Ango. Vala kuvona Metro Beatz here. And then she comes in for
Kulie. They wanna take a picture,
No, I like how she actually jumped on the song, and especially because Miss Kulie and Vala kuvona Metro Beatz are sounding fun, but she made it possible to see sound like an album, ne? Anyways, like kuna vanhu se kuna the movement loko me vona nga ri fa ila ngutala.
I did say on my social media, okay. Se kume vanhu va ta enda va hi doba kwala. Kahle kahle. Sikeni va dobo.
Kuna swo hisa.
Kuna swo hisa.
Kuna swo hisa la Gyan Mara.
Kuna swo hisa.
Va ta hi doba vusiku lebyi.
Swi nga tsandzeki ku va ko swo hisa ri karhi hisa swo dyambu.
And na yona Miss Kulie phela is so hisa.
Se ni ya famba na mfana wa lukomo, ha? Walukom, that come after a few drinks. Me take una gin one la.
Actually,
Yini gin.
Hi le bela.
yeah.
Ye le bela mus. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mon commit dash ne anlag min wire sonor. Mon commit dash.
Yeah. Strong neck funny me.
Ne oh Jesus.
I think.
Oh.
You don't like
here.
Anyways.
Yes. Me mentioning already ku Lady Shakes yana ngamhlanganisa na Metro, but in detail I just want to know kuri mihlanganise kuyini and how did it get to this point? Like,
okay. From Lady Shakes point until the end. So me and Lady Shakes are good friends. Met each other na Tira Capricorn FM. She was a DJ on one of my shows, and we also had a great relationship. In a way, Mina Shakes. If I hear a sound or a producer or something that I think she would do great in, it's that thing you could plug me, put me on, and she also at Tibana Kalena Metro Beatz and look, hey, there's this guy Kale out. I got Coma 21 like now and so I was like, she want Gan, she the piano and he's amazing. His name is Metro Beatz. I want to give you his number because I really want you guys to work together. I take a number. We didn't meet na Metro, but he chatile, and I think I was the problem as usual. And I'm so sorry to everyone I've ever promised a verse and didn't deliver. I think I'm being or studio or Carolina Kafat.
Yeah, you're a very busy woman.
Yela matayel. You can do it. But yeah, that happened. I couldn't record the verse. Fast forward, King V the man.
Sorry to interject, ne. Mara sula ku wafana, empeli tinzana ku. She abanda ku banga isi music mahlweni phela.
You know what I mean? I stopped recording for Malembe Nyana because there's also another EP I couldn't release because anyway, I got King V. This is one thing I love about this.
I love the fact that she's liberating. She lives her life. The way.
Listen, this is the one thing I love about Miss Kulie.
Yeah, Miss Kulie. Yeah. Like it.
But yeah, so King V happened. King V the first time look I reach out kamina alaba and Simona.
V manager.
Yes, King V.
Yeah, for context.
Yes, King V.
Okay.
So the first time he reached out alaba blah about a possible feature na Bryce Shirimani, of which is also coming. Bryce so that record. I have the beats. The concept is beautiful. He sent the most amazing song. Look, drop it's gonna be something so different from what usually. So King V reached out first time for Bryce's feature. Second time, Metro Beats. I said, Sailor, send a beat. Send a beat, Madambiela, Ingisala beat. Did a freestyle on it. Sent it to him, I think. He loved it. Next day, Nya studio, rest the history.
Okay.
Ne? So would
But
you?
I saw my Shangana na Metro.
So you're gonna be mitaki tlangana ro sungula na mo.
Yes.
And you haven't met him, ne?
No.
Ne?
Wow.
Nah,
Not
elephant
even
tayo lungaro
spoken
ko
on the
manyan.
phone. Well, twice on the phone, but not at length. But never. I think in that invisible energy,
Yeah.
No, that's good. I mean,
Magali Aifikin, guys.
Then I back to with him. Okay.
yes, actually, you're on his hip hop album.
Yes, I am.
It's called, what it's called, man.
Seventh blocker.
Yeah, but the album is called 20th Block.
20th blocker. I'm on the EP and album.
Nah.
Yes. We are
Because I did some research, ne? I've listened to some of your music. What is it? What's the name of the EP, Konje?
D-Batty.
Jibadi, ne? I've listened to Arguing Point.
Of course, that's my favorite song. I got freestyle
I
for real,
love
for real. I said
Arguing
one
Point.
Arguing Point. It was
Crazy.
a freestyle van fulele mic studio. They said, talk your shit.
Ne?
Yeah.
For context, when we start with Lovely, ne, you were talking about a guy. It's saying also guessing yourself up saying
A guy.
she's beautiful, but then whenever a guy is arguing or whoever she's dealing with, he can easily say, no, my girl is this, my girl is that.
What, guys?
Yeah.
What will you say after that? So what?
Ne?
So it's most of them just mad because I seem so unapproachable. I'm sorry to start it there, but you can't cap on a person that you don't even know.
Yeah.
It's unconfirmed and untrue, but you out here, you can't breathe, and I see you trying to joke.
Yeah.
Baby, you don't want this smoke, and no, ma'am, I don't want that man. I can't be dealing with a loud man. I'm an action type of person. Send me to you. I'm a count type of person, and not nice to y'all is how I like my person.
Ne?
Fano influencer.
Aba Facebook
Facebook page.
Okay, so Magata na to is that speaking.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll
I
right into that.
Yo.
Askwambel.
Ghost, they come and say, ne?
Nitaka leswi ya ku mentaka na munhu.
Magali,
Man, I just want to say, ne? I just want to say,
Yeah.
Avele kaya.
Uh-huh.
They probably,
Imati,
but I
it's
want
soda
to
water.
finish.
Iya 0%.
This is water.
Wow. Iya 0%.
Imati, bachele
Oh, bag.
munyu, just kuva. Ana tamsela.
Imunyu ne?
Bache-
Starchy.
Yes,
Yeah.
kuva dehydrated guys.
Yeah,
So we're taking a shot to this. Akuva chomu, and I'm sure I'm telling you,
Actually- kahle byala lebyi byi vone a Cape Town.
I byala lebyi va xava
Byala lebyi byi vone
Zuma Cape Town.
byala lebyi.
Ay byala.
Ajala.
We'll call it a shot or gin, just kuva hi nga bayizisi vanhu ne mara i mati mina ni byela vele kaya ku lama i mati.
Naye bana babafundisi.
Yena,
Yes,
hi nge
fundisa
swi
ti-
swa ma-
And we send Jotora, pulani mi chele mati.
So
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah.
A lava ku vutisa ne. When can we expect new music since you last dropped an EP was it last year?
Yeah, November last year, and that wasn't the last drop I had.
Sorry,
There's
actually.
big problem you made June
Yeah.
this year, but it was a single. The plan last time EP, remember,
Yeah.
October, September. So time hasn't been on my side, but the plan is run without at
Should I
least
go
dropping
first?
something.
Yeah.
Yes. Run without dropping something. Could be another EP. And Ken Bolablana, your producer, Jafta, who actually looking forward to recording
A music.
an only collabo
Okay.
EP.
Ne.
Oh,
Yale iti again.
now Princess say so never go enter an all features project like our song. So our song, there's one other guy, who's gonna be on it. Ours a thoughtful hip, that thought conscious hip hop,
Yeah.
boom bap type,
Yeah.
something like arguing point and a bit calmer and jazzy and Kanye sample of Nina Simone type of sound.
Oh,
so I'm looking forward to
yes.
that. But also, Nibula Lawaka podcast kubotere loko mga swi endli nina proof namuntlha. He promised me that he's gonna play chords for my whole EP at Ibathu. So we're gonna do a live rendition.
Let's cheers to that, ne? Cheers to that.
So yeah, so I'm very much looking forward to that, and music then. One thing for sure, something. I'm trying to bully J. John as well to give me a verse, Maria hip hop. So exciting stuff.
Oh, and then unlike with this, because I don't know if I should say. Okay, cheers to that. Apparently,
Matila manyanganya we.
manyanganya ne.
Too much.
Shangwena she smile like
Yeah.
So vanhu vo tala ka album leya ya Metro but I confirmela kwala kufambeni ka siku vo tsaleriwa the lyrics or the verse ta vona. So I wanted to know on your side, especially because it was rap and not lyrics to imbele. How did you guys go about that?
I write everything I do. I'm a freestyle rapper. I like rapping on the spot. I like
Lil Wayne type of vibe.
Yes, a poet. So someone did try to write for me once, because I didn't like like I said with our last conversation, everything I write is something from
From the heart, ne?
And it's probably a fiction I've created myself. I'm like Dibadi. Dibadi is something I've always seen myself in my mind. I'm the baddest one alive. Like an alva ko, marafana mi school.
Abafana in school. Abafana in school, yeah.
It's good. Yes to that.
But yeah, I've never been comfortable in having our share mati mangutlimba. I've never been comfortable. So hopefully in future, because swin'wana mi ta kuma ku no tipfalela tindlela hi ku a ni nga le vanhu van'wana va ndzi tsalela. So if you're out there and you think you can write me a song that you think I'd be good in, ni tsalele.
Ne?
Hey.
Also, like mentioning Metro Beatz, and then you also mentioned J. John. No mentioning ka vanhu vo hlayahlanya. Loko munhu ala ku feature, what's the way?
Yeah, what's the process like?
Easy, man. DM me or send me an email. My social media accounts in Kwatina email ya me. DM me, but I charge for a feature. Just to say it out loud. Na charge aku featureiwa. And in a studio kaya nifanele aikela studio. And the other thing with all of my music, I need to send a big shout out to Ngabza the Boss, Joy Latizi and Malcolm Z. Almost all of them simulating gatira katona ne. Futhi nkwatu on my personal EP and other features. All of them touch it. Reason Malcolm has a secret weapon when he produces. Ngabza has a secret weapon again. Joy Latizi, guys, Google this guy and also listen to his music. There's no one who knows how to do clean vocals, that hip hop and R&B like Joy Latizi. So yeah,
No, that's very much good. There's this guy, man. I forgot his name, and I was gonna give him a shout out. And Antang Menshina is from TikTok.
Yeah.
In the commentary music a lot. Imtsonga.
Zazie.
No, he's. And I'm just short nyana.
Oh, that other guy. I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna describe him, but yeah, shout out to that guy.
Kuba kuna background nyana ya. No, but him, ne? But he's doing very good. He's an honest commentator music watch song, ne?
Yeah.
Niboneka video one. I think he made this video probably when they have 7 July, June, somewhere there. He said, I think kuna wanga butsa why ngarna there isn't a lot of rappers Vamatsonga Vasati in the music scene, ne? And he was answering that. The reason why I think the female rappers, okay, if I'm a rapper as a guy and you're a guy and a producer, it's easy for us to work without exchanging favors. I'm talking about, favors. The favor, yeah. So he said, whether you're an artist, a female rapper, or a female Gaza artist, he thinks basically, ku va na timhaka ta ku loko ni fane ni tirha na wena i fane i ni twisanyana.
Honestly, I have. Beatz, sorry.
No, I'm done. I'm done.
Beatz.
I came.
What's your
I'm
question?
done.
You can.
I finished.
Guys, this show will be watched by children. Anyway. What's what? Okay, no, I'm saying. Okay, so remember remember EP lenga umangi because
But that was your ex though, or someone you were with. But it so apply. Okay, you explain.
there's no filter. I should guy you should like say come up. But anyway, it's true.
Nah.
Let me just downright say it's true, and I think it's the reason why so many female rappers don't actually make it. If there's one thing I'd advocate, we need more females in the industry, not just musicians, but we need PR managers, we need brand managers, we need managers, because I doubt women would ask you for sexual favor unless if they pimp you out, because apparently that's the thing now. If you work with a female manager, she is going to pimp you out. So unfortunately, mara hi nge swi blame loko ri swi ra wena ri nga chaya hambi wo nyikela hi tinjhovo a ri nge hebi if your song is bad, so just make good music man, and mi nga tlelatlela na vanhu for tinsimu.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
I don't know anyone specific, I just know of stories in the industry.
Nah.
And from personal experience, there's so many features and songs ninga ala cause mun se ilava
Elava enan.
ila juice.
One in them. There are a lot of young girls who are maybe like looking up to you, looking up to Miss Kulie, and
Yeah.
she's like a powerhouse. You're very confident. Kore, your confidence when you walk into a room, ne? Yabula, you know.
Yeah.
And there's this girl. She's just maybe she wants to start the career, and obviously
It could be either in music or in media because she's also in media. Yeah.
Yeah, and obviously there are vultures that are looking.
Nyama swi yisa handla swifuwi.
The carnival.
Carnivore. Yeah, so what can you say? And also, how do you work on your confidence? Considering that, obviously,
people are assholes. Holistically,
Yeah.
some will want to take advantage of you. The first thing that you find out, man. If you're sure of what you are and what you're doing, for what you're doing, but if you're sure of what you are or who you are, and then now give up something that you should give up because I could reach it by myself. So girls, please, man. If you like your producer, actually like him. I mean, I'm not against sleeping with producers because they're my type. Not as in like producers, as in if he's a boyfriend. I like my dating history is usually musicians and producers except Matael.
And we want to go to that.
Matael.
No. We'll go to that.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, Mataele. Okay.
But yes, if you like the guy, like him, but also carry on man. Register some royweshe, register some royweshe. Yes, now bachaja, mara bachaja 100 rand. Yeah, shabati ice tropez 100 rand liya. Take that 100 rand and go register your damn music. Na sampra, do all of that yourself. Read, research. And now our company, I was so impressed with how she speaks and how she's so knowledgeable on how the industry works. Talent won't be enough. And unbelievably, because now I have 5 million views because I don't. I figure all eyes on me in a Metro Beat.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you know, if all of the career, is fine. Don't make music and want to go gigging because now you're gonna end up doing things that you shouldn't do.
Yeah.
Surround yourself with judge without reaching out.
Yeah.
Reach out if caller guys, Google na ChatGPT maskula mashtele. Learn how to quote. Know how to do splits. There's no such thing. It's just an example. So you can't pay me. No.
I need my
my
money.
voice is on the song. I need my split. I need my 5% for saying ye. So yeah, girls. God.
Even it's important to say kurna Metro before Avana manager langana today. Manager he reached out Kotala, Akavai decline offer ya manager Metro. But now they work together. Metro is now a superstar. So my point is keep pushing.
But shout out to King V. But Metro's kind of always been a superstar because I think the song Learning Ang Tolobela Yon was about 100 and something thousand streams, which is not quite normal in Limpopo for piano. I think the only other guys who might have, I'm not sure, you might have to check, is Wayne and Tango doing that great. Piano ya song. We're not going to count Limpopo roots because those ones now are international. But he's always been a superstar and we are grateful for V because now his brains, I think Atirat, the whole brand are one, but now he has someone to share that with. And I can see Nayana Kuri, besides the fact that una manager, he's very involved in his brand.
Yeah.
Nah, that's very much good. Anyways, ante kusele nkarhi wo fika kwini mara se mina ke ka mathayele.
Yeah, please.
Yo guys,
Last time loko vula na Miss Kulie. No, yeah, hinkwaswo. Last time loko
I'm single. Hopefully when you watch this video, van dobuin like Yan. Because I'm sure the article is going to come out later.
Yeah.
Not back.
ne.
And nanye kana diza.
Babalaba like Gianni. Oh,
Not just my this.
No, I'm joking. I'm not dizzy.
Ban bala ko tekiwa.
Malaber bakesa government.
Mashaka loko bom doba mitateka xivongo na.
And lava mun'wana na nga ta teka xivongo ende tihomu ta papati ati lovoli baby dead.
Mali veri yi ta huma se hi ri xivongo ke.
Xivonga chumu.
Tihomu ta papa ati lovoli baby.
Mi kata kuma se ku ri mi Mr. Kulie.
That's the
Em mina qualify ka swo tala eh. So no, ita heta after under ka camera.
And the color come like Miss Kulie George.
Yeah, it means I'm ready. I'm single na kukula na cleaner. Mara problem, I talk back.
Yo,
And that's
Na
not.
pikizana.
It's fine, eh?
fine as long as
So is mara batara angurbalele nshem anga Steve na yena he wa
No. Mina I wanna go there because last time loko vula na vona Mpumalanga ka Mngana Lonene ka that event, ne. Kuve na timhaka ta ku kuna vuakatimba byi nga hela, and after she bought him tires.
and it was and the one now you're making it sound like, and then after everything I did for him, hi guys, it wasn't I don't run ne.
Okay, Kulani,
They back on my brand.
ne.
I don't run Diana like I love anyone else. I've loved every ex I've dated amazing people except him.
ow.
I've dated great guys except for Bendaluya.
Wow.
And good luck to him. I don't think there's really anything to say.
Without getting too specific,
Yeah.
how's the dating scene for someone ufana na n'wina loyi anga who's in the public eye so much? And mitama mi ri ku traveleni. So how do you manage? And also, mi vulini ku na loko munhu a lava feature, nkarhi time management is a bit ya tika nyana for n'wina.
Terrible.
So when it comes to the dating scene, how do you manage that?
Single for 2 years now.
2 years.
Cheleleni. Is it?
Cheleleni
Man,
mani.
vativa man botile lativa ku ex ya mina na loko episode leyi huma we tiva munhu la njola le the last
wait,
years
kuna-
comment hi vito ra yena.
Problem abasitwisisi. Kuna 2 years yo munhu a va ri hava munhu mara ku ri na
No, I did not have vuhakatimba xikari, baby girl.
2 years.
2 years.
2
years.
2 full years.
Niyokeliwa mati lembe leri nga hela mara singile a ni ri singile.
Ani sitwa ku na ku
Nikomeni mati
Is
ni
it
ku
skate?
tango.
Is it skate?
Mi huma kwile.
Sitwa ku na ku dzunga nyana la. Eka za bocha. Ani sitwa ku na ku dzunga nyana la kasi I munyu.
Mi huma imi mara sasa ami ni nga lunga chef.
I munyu na ku tikeni. Ini.
Mawode sa ni dobeni.
Oh, bera swakalanga. Anuku loko ba huma ka Shoprite anyangweni. Xi ri tu ingari a va hakelangi xo karhi kasi munyu nga mzimbeni.
It's a rebel.
Beba munyu wa majoro.
But guys, to tell you the truth, ni anytime I'm at peace dan nkarhi leyi ni nga yi vuka katimba. So fana sweswi, mata sweswi I'm at peace. Swi tekela ngondo swilo leswiya loko mi swi endla.
Ne. That's why mina when I say skate ne ever since I ku vele I tshama endla ku vele vana abafundisi
Yeah.
ihleketa kahle.
That's why.
And Miss Kulie has a point.
Makes a lot of sense.
Me and her both. We've never done anything. No, because it's colleagues.
Yeah.
As
We are
colleagues.
colleagues.
As colleagues, we bull. A bulla.
Yeah.
A bulla is so personal, and we know why.
So it makes a lot of sense. What you're saying makes a lot of sense. 'Cause I can see me. Now.
Exactly. We see us in you.
Sexual discipline has destroyed so many relationships. People have slept with the wrong people who have left them in terrible situations. Mina, to tell you the truth, the only reason I'm doing is because I'm getting na munhu anga ri kwa mina so.
Okay.
Handle ka luya anga nkela mati. Mara anga ri munhu wa munhu.
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, I believe sexual discipline, it goes a long way, man. Like you're saying, I don't have time. Send on a piece. So if I'm to get into a relationship, actually, you ask me how has it happened and why has it happened. It's because I go into a relationship with intent and meaning. There's intent and meaning in so many people who will come to you every day. But that one ingata last, that person ingata kanga borik na yena. Mina ngula sone. If one no lava mina, know something because I like a man I can learn from. I love a man who will teach me something. Look, no man fana niya argue na abantu with the point ita baby. So I did ngoko mama no
That not someone who's attracted to intelligent people.
No, not that. Don't say someone. I'm sure I'm not I guess lenges of Steve.
What did she say?
She was saying I'm sexual,
Yeah.
meaning I like smart people.
Yeah.
I do like smart people, book smart, but I also like street smart. Like local Robert Beck, baby, that don't this.
Robert Street.
I love
Which smart are you? What kind of smart do you have? Sapiosexual. I mean, the book when book smart or is it street smart?
It's simple, ne?
Eh?
That discuss on one off camera.
You well, I should
Charming and
Discuss off camera. I mean,
let room money. Come here, room money, Jojo.
216.
216.
216.
Loko mi edit episode leyi loko ku sa swi lunghini na Jojo mi susa la ya kona ya munhu.
Okay.
All right. I think
Yeah, guys.
we've covered. Wait, before I found,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask because you also mentioned in terms of relationships that she does go lower.
Bisexual.
No, lower.
Oh, so
we can go there. We can go there. Basibona ku
You make me so happy.
mingisela bo
That one counts as
Samawoka.
well.
I see ku mingisela bo Samawoka na bo Caesaring. Anyways,
women ukususe.
Mchaveleri sitokoma ingari na question to tala ngopfu.
Mina mshavele
Ti fana
ya ku groove namhla namadamu ita interview.
Tatihlamula after. Taspoku loko hi nghena timhaka ta relationship ivi hi humanyana loko hi ta ka timhaka ta
Mana mina ke number bikini phebe ri kuna phulu la ka show ya Metro Beatz. Nta va dlaya matihlo.
actually
hi. We thank you for your time, Miss Kulie. This one it has bula off air.
Hayi mina wena totala hi fanele hi tibula maji.
Ne?
Outfit ya mina ne na leswiwani wo tiboha botre ni vuri ku mi tibohe ku endla piano ya me for one of my songs and possibly EP hinkwayo ti 5 songs letiya mi ni tlangela tikhodi hi endla live version.
Yeah.
Fifty-line.
Yeah, ku ta ku on.
Kutava ku ri na the remix ya Dibedi, the live version, the cover.
Mr.
Then
Kulie.
matava ni khe ni performa straight mi swi vona ku vanhu va rapper mara eka me.
Yeah. Yele America rap ya bo.
Of course, baby. Outfit ya mina na loyo munhu i tibohile kwala. She's making my performance outfit.
and kahle ne mkatekile ne because if loko mloko endla a live set ne itlanga guitar, acoustic guitar.
No, funny enough, I want something with you too. It's just that
It's like you want everything with us.
Social media, I'll at the same time.
Yeah.
But I did see you playing guitar acoustic. So I want that. I like, as much as I like hip hop, commercial, and I like live setup
live versions.
versions.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Hey, we could literally even make a whole new love song
Okay,
together
no
that we
problem.
start with the acoustic.
Yeah.
And the
Thank
guys
you.
ingafanele bano handle ne Mshavederi wa cina. So
When did you see me do that?
Hey, tsipa ilava u ri na swin'wana.
He's a great rapper, and I want a song with you. I said this before, and I'm saying it again. We need to cook. Yeah.
Nah, definitely. Anyways, from me, from K and M and M and Miss Kulie here. It's
minjhani matsonga machangane namutlha is prakashe. It's 11th October 2025. We are launching album Metro Beatz. Known for this. So episode 1, mngayibona ku nga ri ti 11 mara hi recorded on the day live. You can bona all the artists that nga rambiwa, J John, Joserimani, Makambani, va teletela vanhu va kona.
Yeah.
So a ho ta ndhawini ntsena ne hostiwile. But before hi ta ka swona I remember tuna masaka hina lava nga hi hosta. So mina I want to know ku hi n'wina mavito Mr. Queen sweswo ntsena.
Mina Shiluva Shikibani nisuka a kwala Giyani at the A.
Musuka ti A.
Yeah.
So loko musuka ti A swi njhani mpamirini munhu loyi a hlamuselaka hi timhaka ta le ka thomo ku ri musuka a Giyani ti A. So mina relationship na vinyi va ndhawu kumbe njhani?
Mina ni tirha kwalawa.
Okay.
Mina manager ya kwala kaya.
Okay, no, foni ya mahlweni no lava ku hindzisa swin'wana ni nga feel sharp ni nga swi voni ne misasekile
Sasekile.
Na khensa.
na ti-braces ta pfumela na swin'wana
So manager ya Juta ne. Okay, so nkombela mi byela ku ri Juta i yini?
Juta yina swilo swo tala.
Okay.
Juta i eating house. Juta i ndhawu yo tlela.
Okay.
Juta i ndhawu ya vurimi.
Okay, so vurimi mama xavisa swilo swo miwa. So is.
Xavisa.
Xavisa swo fana na yini?
Hi na mavele. Kuna na tihomu. Kwala ndzeni kuna na tinguluve. Kuna na tinyimpfu.
Okay. Oh.
Na timbuti.
Yeah.
masaka mata ku yini like swa tsakisa because loko ni hlaya vito ra ndhawu ne a ni ri na this other perspective about ndhawu because the Juta it's her house.
Yeah.
So I was so ku ri endhawu leyi vanhu va ta kota va tadya va dzika va famba loko ni fike lawani ne ni ku na xikhiya ni tshama number 16 i ndhawu ya ku tlela ne kahle ngopfu mara mina a ni swi tivi hi vuenti va mi byela ku ri the Juta ne yi offera yini because mi te vurimi ne what's more like loko munhu a ta lawani a nga ta kha lava yini i va pfuneka hi swona.
The Juta hi offera byala. Hi offera ti-swimming facilities. Hi offera ndhawu yo tlela. Hi offera ndhawu ya ti-conference na micato.
Oh, cause ni voni pool vele. And then I'm ku hisa. Leraro loko ni languta ni veta ni ri Skwembu.
Ma pfumeleriwa ku ta for a day visit. Mi ta swima or mi ta tirhisa ti-pool ta hina.
Okay. So mahakelelo ma njhani? A hi ngo ni lava ku ya swimming, a ni lavi ku ya tirhumini. Na hakela njhani? A hi ngo ni lava ku ya tirhumini, a ni lavi ku ya swimming or tirumu ti vheta ti katsa na swimming facilities as well.
Loko u book room automatically yi katsa na ti-swimming facilities mara wa pfumeleriwa ku u ta ntsena a ku swimeni.
So ti-price ta kona ti fambisa ku yini?
Ti-price ta hina ta hambanahambana. Ku na ti-price ta ti-room and ti-room ta hina a ti fani ku na leti nga na ti-aircon na ti-TV.
Yeah.
So ni ta mi nyiketa poster loko hi heta laniwa ku mi ta kota ku vona hinkwaswo kahle.
Masaka noma loko na ti-room ne ni vone swin'wana la a ringwini ni nga ka yona and mina ni tini because ni ta ku attend ka album launch ya Metro Beatz ne mara ku na swin'wana swi nga vekiwa laha fasitireni laha ni vone swilo swa vuhlayiseki jazi ra mukon'wana hi swilo ngopfu ri i ti-condom so na ku tiva ku why hi ri na ti-condom a tirhungwini mi hi tekela nhlokweni ku hi tekela
Hi na ti-condom a ti-roomini ta hina hi mhaka ku nkarhi wun'wana ku va ku ri na ti-event fana na namuntlha ivi vanhu va decide ku
Kuma
buka
se swo hisa.
kuma ku va fika va tsakelana va decide ku buka so hi ti vekelela ku for such events to a ti ri unforeseen ku mi tikuma mi bukini mi ta kota ku tisirhelela na van'wanyani va fika mi kuma ku va swi rivele
Yeah.
so hi endlela swona ku vanhu va kota ku ti-protect-a ka mavabyi lama nga kona
Okay.
Okay.
So ku na munhu a nga tshama kaya u lava ku tiva ku loko a lava ku mi kuma u mi kumisa ku yini naswona tindhawu leti mi nga na tona ti le kwihi na le kwihi ku for inconvenience sake let's say munhu le I don't know somewhere else yeah mi le kwihi na le kwihi na le kwihi
okay hikwalaho ka thomo ntsena and then a joni hi na ndhawu yo tiphina ka yona
Okay.
we just have another eating house a joni mara la hikwalaho ka thomo ntsena for ndhawu yo tlela and ta siya nambara leyi mi nga ta yi whatsappa kumbe ku yi fonela loko mi lava ku ta ku tleleni
mi nga kota ku hi welela yona nambara
mi nga kota ku mi helelela
So loko ma lava phone kwalano. So mi ri mina nambara leyi munhu a nga kuma ka yona. So after ke ni la ku buka ne le Gauteng ni vuya kaya mara ni la ku na swa mina swe le kheleni and ni la ku buka so ni mi kuma ka WhatsApp ntsena bya mina social media page. Ni kuma tani mi kona ka social media like swani ku na ti-Facebook, ti-TikTok, Instagram and Twitter. So I'm not sure ku ri mi kona laha ntsena kumbe xana mi kuma ka nambara ya WhatsApp ntsena na.
for sweswi kumeka ka WhatsApp ne le ka phone call ti-page ta hina ta hi ri under construction I'm sure by next week se ti ta va ti ri ready
Okay.
So yeah, mi ngo nyika nambara leyi loko hi mi lava u ta mi kuma ka yona. Ni ku kahle hi ku na swo tisirhelela lawani va ku hleketelela.
yeah
Ku hleketelela swi kahle ngopfu. Vanhu va nga ti khomi ku gaza boss. Obve a va ri safe. Loko what tsaneka mfaso.
nambara yo buka yi ri 083 741 6117
okay
083 741 6117 yi kumeka ka WhatsApp na for ti-phone calls
yeah i nambara ya n'wina va swi twini va yingisele
tsakile.
ka fona hi nambara ya khampani
Ana nga ta fona ndoko hello. Ku ri a ni lava voice ya xisati. Okay so nambara leyi hi yi tirhisa so loko mi va lava ne fona nambara leya so hi ta kombela production ne yi tsala na hansi lawa nambara leya ku ri loko va lava va kuma kwini ene before mi famba ne ku na swin'wana swi nga endleka a hi ri Cape Town ka tour eSihlangane gang ne loko hi ri Cape Town ne ivi hi ya Abela Street se ni kuma vanhu va yisa Maxhosa va ri ku lilingeni va kha vanhu ne a va nwa bodlelo rin'wana va ri i Old Bag ne so ivi ni va vutisa ku okay ri kumeka kwihi i va ku i byala bya le Eastern Cape ma vona ivi then va ku mara hi mhaka hi wena ne ni ku nyika rona so hi leriwani i jini maxaka ne Old Bag ni le ku yi nweni na leswiwani ne yi kahle ngopfu nandziha ne so ni la ku vanhu va swi ta ku yi kona Old Bag so i bodlelo ra kona leriwani i na 43 volume at ti-percent so swi lava vanhu vo tiya vo fana na hina a swi lava vanhu vo vevuka ma vona so anti loko byala bya mina byona loko a mi na byona ne ta meka sure ku vanhu va byi kuma hi nkarhi lowu taka mara Old Bag hi nga na yona ene ne Old Bag a yi bohi ku ri u khoma ngholongolo ya bodlela ku na xin'wana xe xikhwameni
okay
un'wana ta Maxhosa ne zisinip jwag kha u nyike zinip apha ku na xin'wana xa nip ma vona so xikoxi xitsongo xo loko u borhiwa hi vanhu kwa ku fambeni kwalawani lava khoma baji ne wo ba swona pfula ku kada so Old Bag ne if ma yi lava no munhu fonele mi vutisa ku ni yi kuma kwihi
a va swi voni van'wani ku hi pfuli episode hi swona ne t-shirts so lava vanhu va kha va ri ku ve na a good time just know that
ene a wu hlangahlangani nhloko
u va kahle
sweswiwani ne ni ta yin'wa ni yi heta leyiwani ni ri one ne ivi ni ya tlela ka room leyi ni nga yi buka
yo va na aircon
na ekhono ene ma tiva na ene ma ta ku hi mhaka mina ni faithful ka munhu wa mina ne na tlela ni ri one loko mi na ti-condom ni nga mi nyika ba ni nge tirhisi ti-condom ni nga mi nyika ma tela I'm no, it's fine. Mina mwana mataka loyal.
I'm just a child.
So it gets so positive on him.
Yeah.
So last question, what do you expect from event ya Metro Beatz? Another thing like busa ku ni bona security la one. Put tight, put safe. So mateswa ngwena, o ya mateswa ela ba hosta. Let's say mina event like Metro Beatz. Ni fanta na security, mtana security masama ri kona.
No, my security matisa hina.
What's that one? Perfect.
Yeah.
Na.
One ba safe.
Yeah.
Ndaw lewan. Okay, no. Ikesi ngopfu ne ay la ku tiva ku ri leswi famba njhani. So vanhu lava watcha mi nga rivali loko mi ri agiyani yi kona the Juta Eatery House vanhu mi ta buka kumbe mi ta streama anything you can do it. And ba affordable. Room ya mina yi kahle ngopfu baby. Loko hi vuya hi December ne hi fika lawana at the Eatery House. Hi tshama kahle hi rivala hi swo talata swa dyambu ro hisa. Dyambu ri hisa
Sabona TV on top of that.
dyambu ri hisa handle ntsena a ni nga room ne a swi rhami swin'wana swo chavisa so hi khensa ngopfu hi khensa ku swi twa kahle so a ku na swakudya nyana kwalawani.
Skona swakudya swi tele. Loko ho langutisa hala ka left is it right or left? Hala ka right. Ku na vanhu lava xavisaka swakudya swo hambanahambana.
Okay, so la ku kosa ku after ke mina no ta mara ku na event like today. Mina breakfast kumbe tani mola ku munhu a tlela kumbe ya se like you said ku ri ndhawu leyiwani ya ha ri busy. They are working on it maybe.
No, loko mi tlela if ma require a breakfast ma specify and then I'm ending.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Machaka mna swin'wana before hi phan.
Hi.
Okay, no khensa ngopfu namuntlha hi launch album ya Metro Beatz ngosensia.
Hi kwala
Hi
sweswi.
le ka Thomo uma ka khakhala taxi ya kona loko xika xikotirini ne i famba yi tshwa dyambu ya ando and a ku na movha wena movha ta yi thusela laha tikweni leriwani
Hinkwaro.
ive ra phorisa ive ku na phorisa na rin'we a tisela rin'we hi va nga na timovha and i Jetta na Conquest no you can do better so hi khensa ngopfu vanhu va ka khakhala hi khensa ngopfu ku hostiwa I feel safe man
Yeah.
so this one ne ya ku tsakeni so hambi on right da kwa hi safe
Mi safe ngopfu.
okay no hi khensa ngopfu loko hi heta hi rini
It is sweswo.
danku